Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. I am so pumped to build Hallie's PC. Today's system is a Core i9 10900K. We got the Kraken Z73. Yes, we're gonna have some Halifax logo up on that cooler. Got some cool things coming. I'm gonna work on some animations, potentially with Snurp. See what else I can work on some animations. If you know a good animator, I want to do something really cool for Halifax. Hop in my DMs, hop in my Discord, exclamation Discord. We'll take care of that. We'll do something really cool for Hallie. We're gonna put some Hallie logo on the glass. We got some custom red and brick. We're doing a lot of cool things. This is gonna look really good. I'm excited. This is a good song. This has got to be Rivver. Is this Rivver? This is a fire song. I like this. This is the kind of song I want to have going. It's a pump up song. So we got that. We're putting this all on the ROG Strix Z490E gaming motherboard. Fantastic motherboard. Plenty of power. It's perfect for this 10900K. Got 32 gigs of RAM. You don't need anything more than that. You don't need anything more than that right now, chat. If you're just streaming gaming, 32 gigs is more than enough. Don't let me tell you so that you need more than that. 32 gigs is golden. Obviously, we got a 2 terabyte Samsung EVO 970 Plus. So we got the EVO 970 Plus going in there. We got the RTX 3090 ASUS Strix. Oh god, this just looks so good. Okay, wait to use this card. All right. We got a Corsair HXi 1000 watt Platinum power supply going in. We're putting this all in the PCO11. I told him I was going to do the black, but I switched it up on him. He's going to see this and he's gonna like it even more. We did the black and white. So if you look at Halifax's logo, it's red, black, and white. We need a little bit of white in this theme, so we have a little bit of white accents. And I know it's gonna look good. I don't remember what I was talking about. It's gonna look phenomenal. Good morning, John Alex. We have 6 QL120 fans. And we've got some. We got a red. We actually got a Halifax red bracket to help support the graphics card, and we got some red and black cables. You guys ready to build? I'm ready to build. You guys ready to build? Ready to build this beauty today? Get cracking on Hallie's PC. Welcome to the public basis. All right, we're just gonna roll. I need to do it eventually. I need to rotate the camera. Let me talk about. We're getting a new overlay soon. Once we do that, we'll. Halifax, there he is. Hallie, today is the day. Good morning, Hallie. What's going on, brother? You take whatever time you need because you're gonna sit back, grab yourself maybe a G Fuel. They are. We're gonna get ready. Dave Spawn, thank you for that tier 1 sub. Welcome. Scam train. Welcome. Grab yourself a G Fuel, kick it back, have a seat, kick your feet up, and watch your beautiful PC being built. How about that, Hallie? Does that sound pretty good? Toothless, good morning. Lipsky, good morning. Strix 4 is hot. Yeah, it's a beauty. I know, Stince, you make a lot of jokes, not very serious. Well, you know, I do joke, okay, chat? You gotta have some kind of personality if you're gonna do this. Who can sit up here, build a PC wearing an OnlyFans t-shirt, okay? This guy can. This guy. We've already got some really good thermals on the NZXT. They use Noctua paste. That's been the rumor supporting the game of Nexus. But we're not going to even touch that pad. That pad's actually really good and ready to go. SSD for ants. Yeah, look how small this is, right? This is your SSD now. Crazy, huh, Hallie? Stick of gum. Size of a stick of gum. You want to dance party? Just want to hear the beautiful voice. Oh, that's what you did, Travisteez, and I appreciate that. Here, Hallie. Hallie, congratulations! Today you got your new house. What they gave you right here is a brand new keychain. Put that brand new house key on from ASUS. What's this though?
This thing needs to be cool with maple syrup, right? Maple syrup and Jack Daniels. Right, Hallie? You can get down with that, right, Hallie? Make some quick modifications, you know? Where's your anti-static bracelet? Yeah, you guys, if Mad Meister doesn't know, drop the where's the wrist strap, bros? Throw those wrist straps in the chat so Mad Maestro can understand what we do around here, right? Drop those wrist strap emotes. Let's go. Meister, you're not the only one that talked about that. We get trolls all the time. That's why we came up with our own emote for all the trolls. So you just saw right there, we just installed the NVMe drive. Now we're installing this little shroud they have back on here, not confused with Shroud the Gamer. The little plastic shroud is what we're talking about here. We're gonna throw the RAM on here, then we start installing the cooler on this bad boy. This is the mic you're using? It's just a boom lavalier mic. I can't remember the brand. I just found it on Amazon. It's a wireless boom mic. I'll have to figure out what it was. Hello. This is a Z490F. This is Z490E. All right. We've got a lot of stuff already done here. We need to get the case out. And we're going to start getting ready to mount the motherboard in the case. So we're going to roll out this beautiful case from Lian. PC011. Oh, it's a white one. This is a white, black, and red theme build. Go with Mr. Halifax's colors. Hey chat, this is go with Hallie's covers. Or Hallie's colors. Hallie's covers. Yikes. This case is really good looking. Then there's extra drive bays. No one using 3.5 SATA bays. Puts all the fans and RGB. We're pop this out. Plenty of spots to mount more hard drives in this thing. And this tower is just, no one uses this. We pop it out. I've not had to build it and we go, I want that 3.5 floppy bay. Okay, we've got a couple of builds on our YouTube page as well that we feature that. I also like the fact that this motherboard is like blacked out. It's going in this white case. It's just going to be over the theme even more. Red, white, and black, chat. It's going to look so good. Hallie, you still in here looking at this beauty? Alright, so what we're going to do here on this one, since you don't need a lot of airflow, the Z73 pumps are so good. The Z73 pumps are so good that we're not gonna do like a push pull on this one. You don't really need to do it. Too much airflow pushing in, not enough going out. So we're gonna do pulling air through right here, and we're gonna exhaust through the radiator with 3 QL 120 fans, which are plenty. And we're gonna wrap the cooler like this, so it looks nice. There's the cooler, chat, and here's the cooler. I'll show you the cooler. That's what we're working on here. We're just securing all of the QL fans to the cooler. Big Buddha squatching. Thank you for that follow as well. Welcome in. There she is, chat. Looking good, huh? We gotta run some of these wires back now. Feeding some wires. The 3950 XT overkill? I mean, what's your goal? So, like, if you tell me if it's overkill, it's not overkill CPU, they wouldn't produce it. You know, think about this. I get a lot of these questions. Not much to answer right now. This is a good one. This is a good one. I want to clip it. Is this processor or is this graphics card overkill? You can't even say that without actually knowing the purpose of what you intend to use it with. Is the 3950X over XT overkill? No, they wouldn't produce that CPU, that GPU, if it wasn't meant to handle something. Is a 3950 XT overkill if you're going to play games and stream? Yes. Yes, it is. If you're strictly going to, unless you're utilizing those cores to do your X264 streaming, then no, it actually is a valuable thing. But if you're going to buy a 3950 XT to just stream and game, and you're going to use an NVMe new encoder, then you're spending way too much money on that processor to be able to do what it's meant to do. So hopefully that clears up some things right there, you know? All right, chat. We're going to time to run the pump head to the motherboard. So it's one less thing out of the way. Plug this in. Right now I'm running the cable. So there's a little trick to help with cable management. I'll show you this in a second. We have the close-up cam. So what we did right here, instead of running the cables up and into the grommet, you can see them, you might be able to see them, they were running them up behind the motherboard right here. See this right here? We're running them up above the motherboard so you don't see them. I pull it down. See how they look? They're hidden, less cables being shown. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, we're going to go above cam close up, we're going to mount the pump head. That's the orientation, how I want to put this in here, chat. Nope. Nope. That's it. Yep, alright. That's what I thought we were going to do. How many fans in the system? Try to go. We're gonna have 6 fans. Plus your M.2 chipset cooler. Alright, chat, hold on. I gotta knock my door. Give me a second. Just a second. Oh, it's my UPS truck. So guys, they're delivering UPS right now, and U-Haul trucks are that behind that area. Only 6 fans. Yeah, give me a second, chat. Well, you can look at this beautiful overhead. Literally the worst timing ever. They deliver as I'm literally putting on the pump head. Alright, we're back. Let me adjust my mic because I was helping unload the truck. It's cold. Alright, let's run some of the cables over to the pump. A USB for the pump, so we can put all our images on there, make it look really pretty. Let's talk about the front cables. See how they're tucked over the motherboard? They're less conspicuous, less in your face, less obtrusive. Look much better like that. Alright, now we're going to start running some of these fans in the back here. So now the air is on top of the radiator and the fluid's on the bottom where you want it. Did you see this video in case you go under the hood? Ali, or you just hop on FaceTime, we can handle it, you know what I mean? You're pumping water in and out of the radiator. Yeah, we're exhausting through here. You're pushing it through. Now we're bringing air in. This is bringing air in and it's exhausting through the radiator. And it's not that hot. You're pushing constant flow of air. This is going to be constantly pushing air. It's constantly pulling air in. Yeah, this is intake on the side. Yep. Intake and exhausting through the radiator. And the thing is, you're not pumping. It's pushing air through it. So guys, when you think about that, the airflow that's hitting the fans, it's cooling the fins, which is cooling the liquid inside. Even if it's a little warmer air than the ambient temperature in the case, it's still blowing constant air on the fins, cooling them. You can see, I'm going to show you guys all the wire management we're doing back here. So we're zip tying all the cables. When we bring the braided cables in, it's not a mess. Here we go. That's our cable management. One line of cable, straight up and down. Those are our fans. So, all right, 1, 2, 3 PCIe. All right, I'm done. We got our 44 pin. One CPU, one SATA. Everything looks so good. This is definitely, tell me this isn't the Halifax colors right here. Oh, this isn't the Hali colors. Yeah. Close it for you. Hallie, it's got like, this got Halifax, it's got Dr. Disrespect all over it too, Hallie. This is big black and red, the violence, the speed, and momentum. Alright, we got 3 of these. Alright, we got most of our stuff, so we have to plug in our Our RGB now, then we're about to get that thick boy out, chat. That thick boy's coming. Are you ready for this thick boy? RTX thickness. We have this red bracket. I was gonna vertically mount it, but it takes away the caliber of the look and the aesthetic of the 3039 Strix. So we have this for Hali. We have this nice red bracket mount for it. So you can go with a theme. There's a thickness. Oh, could we get some pogs in chat? Look at the size of that thing. Dude, it's like a 30-sided case. Oh my god. Look at this. This is the power cable. This is the power cable right here. This is the power cable for the graphics card. It looks like a standard 24-pin motherboard. I've been waiting for it. Look at the size of this thing. Look at the size of this thing. We're in there. Holy, slide right in. Thick boy. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, would you look at it? Just look at it. Boom, there it is. Woo! Woo! Chat. Would you look at it? Little Hali support bracket, chat. You want to see this right here? See if this works. That's what we got for Hali's card. We'll actually support here. Hali, if you want to use this, we can do this right here. Boom, there it is. Little red support bracket. You see that, chat? Boom. Boom. You think it looks good? Alright, chat, I'll show you the cable management. You want to see a clean gem? Look at that. What we do. What we do, chat. What do you think? Pretty good? Pretty neat and tidy? He's watching, looks good. Alright, here we go. Turn off the lights so we can get some power to this bad boy. What do you think, chat? Looking good? You ready, chat? We get some hypes in chat. Some hypes in chat right now. Yeah. Oh, it's a Hali baby. That's a Hali baby. Ooh. Ooh.
So much RGB. Wait till we dial this into Hali's colors. Just wait for it. It's alive. It is.
Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Look at the fans. Okay, Stince. Okay, I see what you did there.
Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.